Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I actually discovered something in my Panasonic KX-TG4771C. So as you can see, there's no power supply plugged into it, but it's plugged into the landline without the power supply. Check this out. Here's the microphone. Here it is. Well, I mean, that's not actually what I figured out. I already knew that it had backup power. Because landlines actually provide backup power in case phones don't have power supplies plugged into them. And with the power supply, it just has the regular Panasonic ring that you'd always hear from a Panasonic phone. But without the power supply, hold on, just gotta dial my number real quick. Alright. I dialed it on a cell phone, but you know, with the power supply, it has the usual Panasonic ring that you'd hear from a Panasonic phone. But without the power supply, it has kind of a unique ring to it. So I'm going to call it. That's what it sounds like without the power supply. Then you'd pick it up, whatever, and then answer it. I don't think the speakerphone works without the power supply. Yeah, the speakerphone doesn't work without the power supply. But that's what a Panasonic KX-TG4771C sounds like without the power supply.